This is the latest Tesla, where innovation meets design.
Every curve is engineered for efficiency and style.
The iconic Tesla emblem, symbolizing the future of driving. Step inside and experience a cabin built around simplicity and technology.
Intuitive controls replace clutter, giving you a seamless driving experience.
Luxury seating with sustainable materials for maximum comfort. Advanced autopilot brings autonomous driving closer than ever.
Smart self-parking takes the stress out of city driving.
Go from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, pure electric power.
An extended battery range, designed for road trips and daily commutes.
Recharge up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. This isn't just a car, it's the future of mobility. This is Tesla. A full panoramic glass roof gives you an open, airy driving experience.
Invisible air vents distribute clean, quiet airflow throughout the cabin.
Smart Climate automatically adjusts to your comfort in real time. Custom ambient lighting sets the mood for every journey.
Stream movies or play games with the built-in entertainment system.
Enjoy immersive sound through Tesla's premium 22-speaker audio system.
Full 360-degree vision gives you total awareness of your surroundings. Intuitive rear screen controls allow passengers to personalize their comfort and entertainment.
Charging is seamless and fast, getting you back on the road in minutes.
Your Tesla gets better over time with seamless software updates.
Advanced safety vision detects threats before you even notice them.
Auto brake and collision avoidance protect you in real time. Smart cameras replace traditional mirrors for sharper awareness.
Biometric ID personalizes your seat, mirrors, and preferences instantly.
Next-gen wireless charging. Just park and power up.
Control doors, trunks, and even climate directly from your phone.
Autonomous convoy mode syncs multiple Teslas for efficient travel. This is more than transportation. It's innovation in motion. This is Tesla.